Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download Instagram Reels using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram app and log in your account. Then just go ahead and click the Reels button at the lower part of your screen.
With you?
So I'm sorry about that. Then just go ahead and choose the video or Reels you want to share or to save. Now just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the lower right corner of your screen and click on See Where to Share and Copy Link. Just go ahead and click Copy Link. And now, once you've copied the link, you can now proceed to the next step. So the next step is you want to open any browser and search for Insta Video Save. Or you can just go ahead and search for instavideosave.net. Okay? So now just go ahead and paste the Instagram link that you've copied earlier. Paste it here and click on download. Then just go ahead and wait for it. Then now you can now choose between download video or download video server 2. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click the download video server 2. So now here you can see that the video is now downloaded. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.